get a pen, get a cup of coffee, and repeat after me, my friend. Let's learn English together. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. I keep milk in refrigerator. I keep milk in refrigerator. Microwave. Microwave. I heat food in microwave. I heat food in microwave. Oven. Oven. I bake bread in oven. I bake bread in oven. Kettle. Kettle. I boil water in kettle. I boil water in kettle. Toaster. Toaster. I toast bread with toaster. I toast bread with toaster. Washing machine. Washing machine. I wash clothes in washing machine. I wash clothes in washing machine. Dryer. Dryer. I dry clothes in dryer. I dry clothes in dryer. Iron. Iron. I iron my shirt with iron. I iron my shirt with iron. Couch. Couch. I relax on the couch. I relax on the couch. Armchair. Armchair. I sit comfortably in armchair. I sit comfortably in armchair. Ottoman. Ottoman. I rest feet on ottoman. I rest feet on ottoman. Dresser. Dresser. I keep clothes in dresser. I keep clothes in dresser. Wardrobe. Wardrobe. I hang coats in wardrobe. I hang coats in wardrobe. Nightstand. Nightstand. I place lamp on nightstand. I place lamp on nightstand. Picture frame. Picture frame. I see photo in picture frame. I see photo in picture frame. Doormat. Doormat. I wipe shoes on doormat. I wipe shoes on doormat. Vase. Vase. I put flowers in vase. I put flowers in vase. Candle. Candle. I light candle for dinner. I light candle for dinner. Coaster. Coaster. I place cup on coaster. I place cup on coaster. Tissue box. Tissue box. I take tissue from tissue box. I take tissue from tissue box. Laundry basket. Laundry basket. I put dirty clothes in laundry basket. I put dirty clothes in laundry basket. Mop. Mop. I clean floor with mop. I clean floor with mop. Broom. Broom. I sweep floor with broom. I sweep floor with broom. Dustpan. Dustpan. I collect dirt with dustpan. I collect dirt with dustpan. Vacuum cleaner. vacuum cleaner. I clean floor with vacuum cleaner. I clean floor with vacuum cleaner. Trash can. Trash can. I throw waste in trash can. I throw waste in trash can. Hanger. Hanger. I put shirt on hanger. I put shirt on hanger. Shoe rack. Shoe rack. I organize shoes on shoe rack. I organize shoes on shoe rack. Sponge. Sponge. I wash dishes with sponge. I wash dishes with sponge. Dish rack. Dish rack. I put dishes on dish rack. I put dishes on dish rack. If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to Your Next English for daily vocabulary and full lessons every week.